Have you ever wondered what it would feel like to drive worry-free of speeding tickets? In this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can with the radar laser system we installed on this Tesla Model S Plaid. Here is the Redenzo radar and AL priority laser jammers, which is a universal system that we modify to seamlessly integrate into each vehicle we work on. We always do preliminary testing with laser guns to help us determine the most powerful combination of laser jammers with the best placement. After extensive testing, we have determined our setup for the front and rear will jam the Dragon Eye 100% of the time. The Dragon Eye is the hardest laser gun to jam that law enforcement uses. The front and rear radar detectors are hidden behind the bumpers and will alert you of law enforcement from ahead and behind. All of the parts needed to properly mount the components onto the vehicle were 3D modeled and then 3D printed. On the interior of the vehicle, the Redenzo display controller was molded into a panel that attaches below the screen. In these video clips, you can see what law enforcement sees when the laser jammers are on and off. With this system, you can program them to jam for a certain number of seconds and then they turn off, so you get a chance to slow down to a speed you're okay with law enforcement getting a reading of. If you have any questions or want to get in touch with us, the best ways are either by giving us a call or sending an email. This is Becky from AutoMods in Sarasota, Florida. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media.